In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for 20 ounces skinny stainless steel tumbler. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section, click here to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Click on the link Made in VN if you want to fulfill the Made in Vietnam tumbler, and click on Made in US if you want to fulfill the Made in US tumbler. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen. Please note that the safe zone is the purple area. If you want your tumbler with full design, all important designs should not cross this area. In case you want to print a certain design on both sides of the tumbler, place your design in the middle of the second and the fourth blue line. If you want to print your design in the middle of the tumbler, place the artwork in the middle of the printing file, which means the middle of the third blue line. The file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mock-up file, click on the image you want to create a mock-up. For example, click on folder 7. Click on the second folder, scroll down on the template 20 ounces to copy 2 inches layer, right-click and select Relink to file to change the sample artwork to yours. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click place and wait for the template to load. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.